All right, so I've had some questions about how to actually upload shorts, so I figured I would do that and also kind of move forward with the next step in the case study that we're working on here, the brand new channel that's only going to use shorts to promote itself and a bunch of affiliate products. So this is the channel in question. It's called Miniature Monster, and I kind of love it. And what it's going to do is, for those who aren't in the group, I think I'm going to post this on YouTube as well. So if you're on YouTube and you're seeing this and you're kind of confused, basically I have a training program where I'm teaching people how to promote and build channels using YouTube Shorts, and it's really cool. And you guys should check it out. It's $17 to join, but you know, we got 1.3 million views and 5,000 new subscribers off of this, so we're really excited about it using YouTube Shorts. And we're kind of teaching the process on how to do that. So like the first videos that we've done so far with this particular channel, we're talking about keyword and audience research and pain points and viewer avatars and all that kind of stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, I'll leave a link to that in the description or the comments of this video. But so this is the channel. This is the video that we ended up with. So let me turn this on real quick so you can see it. A little quick editing right there. So that's the video. Not anything super crazy or amazing or anything like that. Just a simple video. We made the video using Adobe After Effects, and then we kind of put everything together here in Adobe Premiere, add our music, add our transitions, and everything else. So that's the video, and we also got the template here from Envato Elements, which is pretty cool. So we need to upload this video. That's kind of our next step, right? So you upload the video like you would any other. Grab that, drag it over. And there's a couple things that we need to do. So the first thing we need to do is we need to make sure that we're, well, first thing we do is we optimize the video like we normally would. So we're going to do things like tiefling, sorceress, the series, and then we're going to add in hashtag shorts like that. So we actually kind of grabbed a lot of stuff off of the Amazon page. So we're just going to kind of drop some of this in here. And what we're doing is basically we're just giving it a little bit of keyword rich stuff. And like this landing page isn't actually finished yet, so we're not going to use this. But we're also going to add in down here 151 Amazon ratings, 4.6 star average, so people know that it's pretty good. Oh, I had to go and verify all that. We'll do that later. So we'll do something like that for the time being. This is a brand new channel, so playlists. We're going to create a playlist for this. We're going to call it what is this thing's name? The Nazur. Like so. I'm going to add that to our playlist. Not made for kids. I'm going to throw in some keywords that we want to keep track of. I'm actually going to change that to singular. Okay, and we're going to do that again. And we're going to get the whole thing right here. So I'm just throwing in a bunch of keywords in here so we can kind of keep track of this. And what this is going to do is, like, it does have an effect on, a little bit of an effect on what's going on in the video as far as like the background stuff and rankings and whatnot. But I'll add tieflings as well as a plural. For the most part, we're going to use this as part of our tracking. So we're going to go ahead and turn this on because this is a product placement, sponsorship, or endorsement because we're actually promoting a product in here. Video language, there is no language. We're going to go ahead and set this as today. We're going to set this to the USA. Share blog. We'll put that into entertainment. Oh, and then we're going to also do some hashtag Dungeons and Dragons, hashtag gaming or something like that. Tabletop RPG, I think that's actually how you're supposed to do it. Let's double check. Yeah, okay, cool. So I like those, and we're going to go ahead and add these down here as well. So we want to make sure that all these are popping up over here. Let's go ahead and add Dungeons and Dragons, tabletop RPG, tabletop games, Dungeons and Dragons, just some general keywords like that. That should be fine. So I think that's good. So the most important things, we want to make sure that we have hashtag shorts in the title. Let's go ahead and make that capitalized just so we're consistent. And then we also want to make sure that we have that down here in our description. Those are the two most important things. And then we're going to hit next. You can add cards. I don't have anything to add to this yet because it's a brand new channel. Set it to public and publish. We're going to hold on to that. We'll do that later. Now, the other thing we need to do with this is, because it's an affiliate video, I'm going to pause that real quick. We're not going to send people to this landing page quite yet, just because it is not finished yet. Get the models on Amazon here. Help if I could spell. I'll call them figurines. No, the miniatures. Miniatures on Amazon here. Then we're going to pin that to the top because that's where we're going to make our money. We want to make sure that everybody sees that. Like this, heart that, and that should be good. Let's go watch it all the way through. Okay, cool. And we're already starting to show up with some of these recommendations. Like, this is a brand new channel. I haven't watched anything. I know this lady does what we do. Like, she paints these little guys. So does this one. So, and just some other random junk. But that's good. Now, if we click on these, like, we can see what kind of other things are really popular. So, like, here's the hashtag D&D page. You can see we actually have hashtag /D&D up here in the URL. You guys can't see that, right? Yeah. Okay. And so here are all the new videos that are performing well that are related to Dungeons and Dragons. And so we are going to work on getting ourselves onto this list because that means cross promotion, and we love cross promotion. But that's Dungeons and Dragons. If we're to do another one over here, we'll do tabletop RPG. See if that has anything. It does. We're not in here yet, but we will be. And what we're basically trying to do is we're just trying to let YouTube understand that our content is related to these other videos, and so we want to show up as a recommendation with all these. If somebody has ever watched any of these videos, then we want to show up as a recommendation for them as well. So the video is now processing, and here in the next few days we should see this start to pick up some shorts views and hopefully some new subscribers. But you can see we're starting from absolute zero. We have 0 subscribers. We have 0 views, except for that one that was me. We have no impressions. We have no engagement. This is a brand new spanking channel, and I'm really excited about this. So we will record some more once we're a little bit further on and we start getting some analytics in so we can take a look at that.